Hi, my name's Chad Whitefield. Welcome to another episode of Single Section Sunday. Today we're going to be looking at the SugarPalm. 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 840 square feet. We're going to start with the guest bedroom, if you'll follow me this way. We have a nice guest bedroom with a standard window, and we've added a ceiling fan and a nice walk-in closet. Moving right along to the guest bathroom, we have the tub shower combo and a nice window to let in some natural light, as well as plenty of cabinet space under your sink. Now let's take a look at the open concept living area. As you can see, there's plenty of space for your family and friends. And I want to point out this archway we have here. This is actually optional. If you prefer to have a more formal separation for your dining area, it's great. But you can choose to omit that if you'd like to have a little more open space. Next, let's take a look at our kitchen. We have beautiful white cabinets, and we also added the white appliances to match. You have your microwave overhead, as well as a dishwasher. HD laminate countertops, which are beautiful, as well as the mosaic backsplash. And let's not forget this great sized pantry. This model actually accommodates a full-size washer and dryer, as well as overhead cabinets and a hanging rod. Moving along to our bedroom. As you can see, we have a nice spacious bedroom with a window to let in your natural lighting. We have the ceiling fan and a beautiful walk-in closet. Plenty of room to store all your clothes. This is the master bathroom. As you can see, there are plenty of linen cabinets for all your things, as well as a stand-up shower. Thanks for checking out another episode of Single Section Sunday. I'm Chad Whitefield. Be sure to like and share our videos, and let me know if I can answer any questions for you.